first time I'm cooking, guys, in my kitchen. So beetroot salad is one of my favorite things. I used to eat it. Beetroot salad is a salad with beetroot, I think. Feeling like a full like. तो इसके बाद क्या? पूरा डालना है चाट मसाला. तो तड़का में जाता है राई, जीरा, हिंग, कड़ी पत्ता. That's my. Ta-da! Ready. It's not as good as the lips, but it's not bad. मतलब एक for a new person, एक beginner के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.